Then go up your elbow. Okay? Can I touch you? Okay? So face mirror. So when you do this, hold your finger. Yes, like this. Okay? And go up and down. Up and down. Hold. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Very good. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. So when you hold, look me. Like this. Your body, your upper body, look me. Upper body. Up body. This is up body. Down and up. Down and up. Okay? So when you down, bend,